In this course, you will practically learn about industrial automation concepts, and develop a project using PLC, hands-on. The PLC project that you develop will contain a pick-and-place robot, and a conveyor belt system. You will build and program the project in such a way that the robot can automatically pick and place components, and works in sync with the conveyor belt system. As part of this course, you will learn about different components, such as PLC, SMPS, relays, and DC motor. You will also learn to write the right programming logic to control the PLC and make the project work efficiently. The course is based on Skyfi Labs Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to building the project with your own hands, using the kit. A topic like PLC can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to you within 24 hours. And you can finish the project within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.